Alright, so what I did was I wired in, I removed all the switches, so I figured I can use them for another project. These don't need to be turned on and off. And what I did was I wired in 7805 7805 linear regulators. One on the ground, one on the hot, and then I put a 10 UF capacitor from the ground to the input and from the ground to the output, or output and then to the input. It's 12 volt input. I have that running off the 12 volt power, or off my 12 volt power supply. The LED does go on. It's kind of ridiculous because they had these little things in there for transferring the light, but they put the light on the other side of the board, so kind of counterproductive. I might maybe open up a hole there, make the light shine through. I don't know. Probably not. Just leave it the way it is. This thing does heat up a bit, but it does charge, and I have a 5 volt output on the USB. I want to test this circuit first. I'm going to plug in a little power backup battery supply, and I want to test the amperage output before I plug anything important in and finish the circuit. I probably should have done that first, but we'll go from here. Probably if this checks out, then I'll put in the rest of the resistors. I'll run jack across the top, across each one of these legs that's sticking out, and then the ground, which is that one on the left, all the way down. I have to daisy chain those, and then I'll probably take one of these jacks, nope, not these jacks, one of these jacks right here, and plug it in, and then I'll get a wall wart, probably like a 5 amp wall wart. I don't even think I need it to be that big. Probably 2 amps is fine, because when I drop my voltage it'll up the amperage, and I'm only doing 1 amp per, so I'm doing 7 amps 5 volt output. I'd have to figure out the math on that, but I gotta go now.